We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hello, I'm Nathan with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to look at this HP OfficeJet Pro 8210, and we're going to go over some of the common causes of a jam in a paper tray. So first thing, we're going to pull out the tray completely and take the paper out. And we're going to look at the paper guides and make sure that the paper guides are set to the right size. There's usually a little tab or a little arrow that points to a line. Once that's set up, we're going to take the paper and we're going to make sure that it's all even, and we're going to flip through it, make sure there's nothing stuck, and we're going to put it back in. Problem that we do see is when people add paper in, they will have a overlapping, and this will cause a jam. So it's best to just take it out, make sure everything's even before you put it in. And then we're gonna put the tray back in. And this should solve your problems. If you're still having problems, please contact us. You might need to replace your rolls or something. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.